Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best electric sanders on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Haichika Detail Sander. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Haichika Detail Sander is a versatile tool designed for precision sanding in tight spaces. It features a powerful 1.6 amp motor that delivers 14,000 orbits per minute, ensuring efficient sanding on a variety of surfaces. The compact, ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use, and the built-in dust collection system helps keep your workspace clean. With 12 included sandpapers of different grits, it's ready for different tasks like woodworking, paint removal, and furniture finishing. This sander is ideal for DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable and affordable option for detailed sanding jobs. Number 2 is the Black & Decker Detail Sander. The Black & Decker Detail Sander is a compact and lightweight tool, perfect for sanding in tight corners and small areas. It features a 3-position grip for added control and comfort, making it ideal for detailed projects. The sander operates at 14,000 orbits per minute for efficient material removal, and the built-in dust collection system helps maintain a cleaner workspace. This tool is great for DIYers working on furniture, cabinets, or smaller surfaces, providing a precise and easy-to-use sanding solution. And to finish, the first position goes to the DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit. The DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit is a high-performance tool designed for smooth, efficient sanding. It features a 3.0 amp motor that delivers 12,000 OPM, making it ideal for various sanding tasks. The low-profile design improves control, while the separate counterweight reduces vibration for comfortable use. A dust seal switch and efficient dust collection system help extend the tool's life and keep your workspace clean. This sander is great for professionals and DIYers seeking precision and durability. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 electric sanders that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.